IT stocks are very much the flavor of the season. A little bit under pressure last couple of days, and understandably so, with the rupee now finally showing some signs of strength. But let's get a word from V. Balakrishnan, board member of Infosys and a man who's tipped, or many believe in the market is likely to be the next CEO, talking about the currency demand and, of course, the measures announced by the new governor.
About the growth, the inflation, and the monetary policies. So, and also what is happening in the US, a lot of money is going outside. So it will put pressure on the rupee. But if the government is able to step up on some of the reforms, like Raghuram spoke about a lot of things yesterday, that is things in the right direction. They step up on that, probably rupee will find some balance and it could stabilize at these levels. So we have to wait and see. A lot of talk, but it has to happen in action. If it happens, rupee will find its.
How are companies using the benefits that they get? So will it completely reflect in margins, or are they using it to invest in sales, to get into more riskier contracts? How are they really using it?
No, this is not a sustainable trend. We are seeing a lot of volatility. Some of it may be short term. So there is a short term benefit. Companies will try to reinvest and make the business model much more efficient, which will help them in the long term.
For Infosys specifically?
We'll do the same thing. We'll try to reinvest, make the business model better, and try to make the company better in the long term.
So everybody is talking about a recovery in demand. So how is this really helping?
No, the world is recovering. US is recovering. US last quarter, GDP growth was close to 2.4%. And even Europe has come back from the recession. So world is recovering. It will take some time to see it happening on the ground. But definitely trend is good.
So Infosys also recovering with the world?
No, we will recover. We are part of the industry.
So also one final thought on the draft of safe harbor. Are you satisfied with the draft that has come out and your thoughts on that?
No, it is a draft. So a lot of people are giving comments. It is more to impact the captives in India, not for companies like us. So we'll give our comments.
So you mentioned this, only one point from what he said that you found particularly interesting.
No, you've taken both short term and long term. Short term, we need to attract a lot of capital. So increase the limits for banks to borrow. And also the FCNR is a good thing. So short term will attract some money that will reduce pressure on the currency. Long term, I think you have to open up the debt market, bond market, and also give more flexibility to the banks. And that's what he was talking about. So both short term and long term, he come out with some things. If it happens, it will be good.
Sir, there's a lot of spotlight on the CEO race at Infosys. Would you like to comment on it since your name keeps
No comments.